Yo, what's up, everybody? Let's break down this trade I just took Monday, November 3rd. I actually entered 5 minutes into market open, took partials, sold down here. Let's get into, first of all, why I took this trade. So if we look on this as the hourly time frame, we failed to take out previous day high, which is Friday's high on both ES and NQ. We start to sell off after we take this. This is like a data wick. It's a 9 a.m. candle. I don't think there's any news, but it still looks exactly like a news data wick. So we come up, we form SMT, we're not closing above it. We start to displace lower on this candle. Then I was looking how we react inside of this fair value gap. Right here, it looked like it could be holding, but then as soon as we started pushing lower, I got in about right here, 26.50 right here. So I sell here, stop, goes above these candles highs. And at first I was just looking for this liquidity, but it was not the best risk to reward. So I went for the 9 a.m. open right here. Took 2 partials off. Then all this low resistance liquidity. And then this yellow line is the regular trading hours gap 50% level. So if we go from here to here, this is the difference in the regular trading hours open and close from Friday to today. This is 50%. That was our this was our runner target, which actually hit. We took it off just a few points short right there. It does actually reach down there. All right, let's look at the actual trade replay live time. All right. So we enter short, stop, set, partials set, price immediately. After we displace lower after entry, we reduce risk. So that turns this trade into like a giant trade after you start reducing risk right away. That's always smart. Break even after we take our partial, 2 contracts out of the 3 off. Starts pushing lower, we start trailing our stop. Closer it gets to our target, we start trailing more aggressively. This helps secure the profits that we have unrealized. So we trailed it to this short-term swing high right here inside of this new day opening gap. It should not trade back above if we're as bearish as we would like. Price is starting to chop a little bit. And I was thinking, as soon as we take these lows, we could reverse if we're going to reverse. So I wanted to trail my stop even more aggressively. Let's see where we trail it after we take these lows. Look at the stop placement above this order block. The body right there. That's why it's being respected. Price is staying underneath this bullish candle. And it's holding price lower. That's why our stop is there. And as soon as we start to push down, we trail our stop again to mean threshold of this order block. This is actually like a propulsion block because it tapped into this order block. And then we start displacing. We're trailing our stop even more aggressively. And we take out 8:30 open. Take out this liquidity down here, which YM and ES took a long time ago, so there was SMT down here, but we were still bearish. Price was not showing any signs of reversing yet. So once we took this liquidity, I'm thinking any push lower, we're trailing our stop more and more and more, just getting as close to as much as we can out of this trade. So we trailed it there. It's inside of a fair value gap. This is just asking to be stopped out, but since we're so close, I don't want to give up profits by having my stop way up here, even up here. That's why I trailed it so close. And there we're stopped out instead of there. It's not that much of a difference, and we didn't want to risk any of our profits. So hope you enjoyed this trade. Let's go look at the screenshot one more time. Sold right here, partials, final partial here, and then look at that, it's starting to form a reversal down here. So yeah, beautiful trade, great way to start the week.